In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vertical scrolling to Figma. Now, it's really easy and straightforward to do, but make sure you watch the video the whole way through and pay close attention to ensure you get every step correct. So let's get right into the video. So what I'm going to do, just like the previous videos, I'm going to go ahead and bring myself some icons in that I can use for the scrolling effect. So I'm going to go up to resources and I'm going to go to the icons 8 thing here. Now, you can add a ton of different things here. I'm just going to try and find something quickly that looks quite good and that will work well. So why don't we bring in some of these items here? They're very random, but we'll do it anyway. So I'm going to click that. And I'm going to click this one, and this one. So now I think these are all loaded in here. Let's just zoom out. Cool. We've got all of these, and I'm just gonna quickly line them up this way. I'm not going to make it perfect. So now that I've got them lined up relatively nicely, I'm just going to quickly resize them so they actually fit onto our screen properly. There we go. And one thing I can do, I can select them all and I can just use the Alt key. And if I use that, I'm able to basically squish them in together so that they are closer. They can still fit a little bit closer together, so I'll do that a little bit more. There we go. Cool, so we'll have it so it looks like this then. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I've selected them all like I have done, and I'm going to go over to the design section. I'm going to click auto layout, just like that. Now the auto layout, I'm going to have them so it's centered, and I'm going to set this to 20. So just put them a little bit closer. Now I'm going to click on this button here that says clip content, and basically what that will do is once it goes out of the area, it will clip the content. But for that to work, I have to first select this here, and I have to press the Windows key or the Control key, and I have to select the area so it goes down to there, just like that. Now I can select this, I click clip content, and you can see here it's now clipped it, so anything below this line is not going to show up. And I think that looks good. Cool. So now I can click back on them again, and I'm going to go over to where it says prototype, and I'm going to go to the overflow section here, and where it says no scrolling, I'm going to change it to vertical. So now if I view it, it should work. Oh, it's loading in, and I'll just change this one. So now you can see I can go ahead and actually vertically scroll through all of these, and I can also horizontally scroll through this. So as you can see, it's pretty easy and straightforward to do. Now there's a lot of changes you can actually go ahead and do with this. You can neaten it up, all that stuff, but this is the basics for now. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down below that it helped you out so other people can watch the same video and get the same advice. Thank you for watching.